how to set the folder of where you save the screen recordings in on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then, scroll down, and from here, tap on advanced features. After that, we then scroll down and tap on screenshots and screen recordings. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on save screen recordings in. From here, at the top, we can go back to internal storage. And from here, you can select the folder where you want to save it to. So you can save it to the download folder, save it to the documents folder, or any other folder. So here I have created a folder called screenshots. So you can choose this one, or you can create a brand new folder called screen recording. So screen recording, and then tap on saved or create. And that is the new folder there. So select that folder, then tap on done. And then you can now start your screen recording. Once the file is saved, it will be saved to your selected folder, or the folder we have just created in this case. So here if I go into the app screen and open up the Samsung folder, then I open up my files, go back into the root internal storage, into the root folder. In the root folder, I can go down and look for the screen recording, and here is my screen recording. A selected folder, or the folder we have just created. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.